Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Scene Builder and use it with NetBeans to create JavaFX application. Let's get started. First, we need to download the file. Let's open Google Chrome. Type in Scene Builder, enter, and under the first link, and click on download. I'm using MacBook, so I'm going to download the Mac OS 10 version. Once download complete, click on the installer, click continue, continue again, and agree to the term. Click on install. It will ask for your computer password, so let's type it in and install software. Now installation was successful. Let's close it. I usually remove the file after I install because I want to save some space. So you can keep the file for future installation, but I like to remove it after install. Now we can close the browser and let's test what the scene builder looks like on the NetBeans. So let's open the NetBeans and let's create the first JavaFX application using Scene Builder that we just installed. So under project, right click, choose new project. Under JavaFX, select the third one, JavaFX FXML application. Click on next. Enter your project name. Let's say FX Hello World. Then once complete, you're going to have 3 files. So the user interface file that you're going to design and using with Scene Builder is the one that have file extension with FXML. So to open with Scene Builder, you can just double click on it, or you can just right click and open. It's the same thing. So now we have this is what the Scene Builders look like in the NetBeans. So let's try to run the project, see what it looks like. So this is the first Java application, and when you click on it, we have a hello world. So let's try to add one more button. Right click, open, and let's search for a button, drag and drop here, and let me rename it. You can rename the button right from here by double click, or you can select and change the text from here, from the property, which is the same thing. Let's say sign in, enter, and let's save it, Command S, and run the project. There you go guys, this is the button we just added, and let's put a few more things to the UI to make it look even more nice. Let's put the text field, let me put label as well. There's a username. Let's put another label, call it password. For this one, I'm going to use password field, but because it have a function that hiding the value that you enter, which is suitable for like a form field or user sign-in types of application. So when you Command S and save this one, and when you run it, you should be able to see this password field and text field that you just added to the Scene Builder. So when you type some value in there, like hello or Leo, when you type password, it will hide the password you enter. And then when you click sign in, it's do nothing because we haven't assigned any function to this button. That's it guys, I hope you find this video helpful. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell button below so you can get notification every time new video get uploaded. Thank you and have a good one. Bye.